Hey guys, in this video I will show you how to run GitHub code. Alright, so let's begin with the video. First, you'll need to head over to GitHub and sign into your account. With access to your dashboard, you're ready to select the file you want to run. Locate the repository that contains the code you need and click into it. Once inside, search for the specific file you want to execute. After you've found it, look for the down arrow icon, which usually represents a drop-down menu with additional options. From that menu, you'll see an option called github.dev. Clicking this will open your file in a web-based version of Visual Studio Code tailored specifically for GitHub repositories. It's a powerful tool that allows you to make quick edits, review code, or even develop directly in your browser. Here comes the exciting part. Inside this environment, look for the Run and Debug button. Clicking it will prompt Visual Studio Code to run your application. If your project is well configured, it may already include the necessary scripts or debugging configurations for smooth execution. And that's it. So that is how you can run GitHub code. So that's all for this video. Thanks.